In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Google Maps timeline on your desktop. If you've ever wondered where you've been or want to revisit your past travels, Google Maps Timeline is a fantastic tool for retracing your steps. Whether you're interested in checking the places you've visited, tracking your daily commutes, or simply recalling a favorite restaurant, the Timeline feature can give you a detailed overview of your past locations, as long as you had location history turned on in your Google account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Maps website by typing in maps.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you use on your phone, the one that's tracked your locations, since the timeline data is linked directly to each Google account. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your account details. Once you're in Google Maps, look to the three horizontal lines at the top left of the page, which is commonly referred to as the menu or hamburger icon. Click on that, and a sidebar will open on the left side of your screen. Within this sidebar, you'll see various options such as your places, your contributions, and so on. Look for your timeline, which is designated by a small clock icon, and click on it. This will take you directly to your Google Maps timeline. After your timeline loads, you'll see an interactive map that highlights all the locations Google has recorded for you. At the top, there's a calendar tool that lets you pick any specific day, month, or even year, giving you full access to your travel history over time. If you select a particular date, you'll notice Google lists the routes you took, places you stopped, and even some of the photos you might have taken if you use Google Photos. This makes it incredibly easy to recall detailed memories from any given day. If you want to explore your travels visually, you can zoom in and pan across the map to view your routes and stops in greater detail. If you see any inaccuracies, like places you don't recognize, Google Maps also gives you the option to edit or remove locations. Just click on the place or stop. You want to change and follow the simple on-screen instructions. A quick tip: if you don't see any data in your timeline, you may need to ensure that location history is enabled for your Google account. You can do this by visiting your account's activity controls and toggling on location history. And that's it. Easily viewing your Google Maps timeline from your desktop is a convenient way to reflect on your journeys, keep track of where you've been, or simply refresh your memory. Remember, your timeline is private. Only you can see it unless you choose to share specific information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your Google Maps experience.